Hello everyone, how are you today? Today is 22 August 2026. I'm gonna be show you guys fast food, how to make fast food. Of course, my hobby is a lot. First medical, second learn language, and fast food. So everyone want to fast food. Everybody very busy now. Uh, Even lazy people. For lazy people, it's very good. So I'm gonna make bulldog my style. Of course, bulldogs are easy. The ramen, So I'm gonna be teach easy way and the fast way. My Tansaklak YouTube channel is 60-70% about health, but I'm gonna be post learn language, teach Japanese language, and sometimes I'm gonna show you guys how to make a fast food easy way. Easy is best. Everyone knows that. So also you guys teach me. Everybody, in the world, my around friend, all my teacher. So you're gonna start. Yeah, I'm gonna be show you how to easy way the fried, the ramen fried bulldog, the egg, green onion. This is a letter. I'll show you how to use that. This is my Tim Horton coffee. So I'm gonna be first. I'm put the bulldog, put here water, boil water. A very easy way. Anybody knows that, but my style is very special. I don't want to copy anybody. So you have the sauce. Bulldogs is very spicy. So my means onion. I want to wash onion. Uh, Onions. I love green onion. Don't waste food. So the green way, the white way, white side. So I'm gonna feature maybe if I have time. Uh, I'm teach or you guys teach me a lot of good way and easy way, fast way. So sometimes my way, my style is very interesting. Anybody like it, especially my family, my kids very love the style. I can make sushi. I can make, of course, I can make my Uyghur food. So I'm always talk my friend, my around friend told me, talk to each other from about my Tansaklak, my YouTube channel. If you're interesting, the subscribe not free. Many people think the subscribes pay something, charge something like that. No, the free. If you subscribe on my YouTube channel, Tansak means the health wealth. But I'm gonna improve my YouTube channel quality. You know, my subscribe now 980 something like that. If subscribe 1000 after working time, uh, 4,000 1 years. So I make a little bit money. Uh, that's why every day I want, if I have time, I make video, post video 2 until 5 video. You know, my YouTube channel is a universal channel. So some people told me teaching Japanese very well. Of course, I'm stay Japan 10 years over. So I love Japan. That's why reason I post a lot of about Japan, about Canada, about my daily life, something like that. So this is already done, maybe, I don't know. Almost done. So okay, very be careful. It's very hot. So I'm gonna the cold water. I like cold. You know. I don't know why I like called lagman. You know, my country has a lot of food, very famous, very good food. Uh, my favorite Uyghur food name is lagman. Lagman, some people looks like this one, but some people eat a little bit warm, some people eat very hot. I like very cold. Why? I don't know. So then you're gonna put the sauce. The sauce include, you know, maybe many people love this one. This one very spicy. Some people said spice is no good. Some people said sweet no good. I don't care that. I'm not perfect people. So I'm not sensitive people. That's why my style, I like spicy. I like sweet, you know. Try everything. Try everything's best. I'm gonna show you guys future and my home. I try everything about health, medical, you know, about honey, about salt. I try everything. My home, very interesting, very effective. Ah, very hot, very spicy. My kids told me, "Oh, be careful, very spicy," she said. Don't too much, a little bit, okay. Green onion. After many people think maybe, how about egg? I love egg, you know. Eggs for bodies very healthy food. So Wow, very delicious. Looks like very delicious. So I want the egg to directly put here. Some people told me maybe, yeah, how do you eat that? But I love this one because I stay Japan. Japanese people, many people, yeah, eat directly the egg. So I want mix all. Is it enough for me? No, maybe I want. Did you see that, guys? Ah, so I want it now. Sorry, guys. Maybe very spicy. Mmm, very good. See you next video. Ah, spicy.